for calculating time. Okay. For make a perspective, the ratio of milk and water is important. Mass is used to measure quantity of various including Faraday. Traveling, we can calculate the distance traveled, time taken for the journey speed of the vehicle, fuel consumption, etc. With the help of math, we can see various mathematical shapes as road signs. Maths is an unbelievable thing in the calculation of money. In our daily life, we use money for buying things and for various services. Banks used for banking purposes like loan, deposit and withdrawal of interest and various other transactions. Shopping snacks is used for shopping, processing, also purchase, billing, clearing, price, cost price, profit, loss, discount, offer, tax, etc. Can be calculated only with the help of math. Thank you. The math is used for find the temperature of a day. It is used for finding the speed of wind, allowance, rainfall, etc. Medical field. We can calculate our blood, heart, heat, temperature, dosage of medicine, various blood tests, etc. with the help of maths. Construction or buildings. Maths is an available thing in construction field. Here we need to find area, perimeter, quantity of materials, height of the building, elevation, etc. Games. We are